Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage notifications on the Caviar app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and turn off or on notifications on the Caviar app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Caviar app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner, then scroll down and click on Notifications. So this is where you can toggle on or off different notifications for the Caviar app. So you can turn this on, you can turn this on, or turn it off, and there. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and manage notifications on the Caviar app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next